Hey everybody, welcome back to Maintenance Made on a Budget. We're going to be doing this wine barrel project. What I've done is I've taped up everything so that I can spray the middle rails. I took the other rails off, getting them ready to be sprayed, and I ended up leaving the two middle ones on just because it was getting pretty hard to take off. So what I did is I taped everything up. And I'm going to go with, taped everything up, and I'm going to go with this hammered black. It's got kind of like a metallic look to it. It's a primer paint, all surfaces, so that should work. And then what we're going to do is go with this tabletop, drill a center hole, and we'll have the umbrella come out through there. Alright, so that's what it looks like. When you put them back, you just gotta be very careful. I scratched some things when you have to like tap it back down to get these rings to slide in nice, so I'll have to go back and do some touch-up paint once I get done. Anyway, now we're gonna start doing the table. Now we're gonna go with going with the grain of the wood. Once I get all that done, I'll wipe it down. We're going with looks like dark walnut. And there's the finished product. We ended up installing a umbrella, and what we did is I drilled a 1.5 inch drill bit straight through the center of the table and the barrel, and then we drilled a hole here, 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 and there. And what I ended up doing was putting a piece of 2x4, cutting it down to one length here, one length here, then drilled the screw straight through that to hold the table in place, drilled it right into the barrel. And then you put some wood putty, fill the hole, sand it, and then stain it, and then put a finish clear coat on the top of that. And that's it. There you have it, the wine barrel table project. If you guys like these type of videos, feel free to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. As I do all my projects, I try to do them with recycled parts, free parts, leftover items, and sometimes you buy a couple things to make it fancy. But the theme of my channel is to do things on a budget. And if you like that, please subscribe, and I'll continue to do videos like this. We've got this umbrella on, we ended up getting the umbrella on Amazon, and I think it's about $40 something. So we threw that in at the end. But anyway, wine barrels free, tabletop was 40 something, plus the umbrella. And a bunch of leftover parts made that table happen. Thanks guys for hitting the like button if you did, and we'll see you next time. Take care.